Alright, super quick update on SLP. I know whenever I say super quick update, it ends up being like an 8 to 10 minute long video. So I am going to try and be conscious of the time because not too much is going on. So I don't really want to, make you watch like an 8-minute video of what I said the previous couple of days. So really quickly, if we do look at the volume, selling volume is still coming in, no green volume is coming in. On the macro perspective, I pointed out the tops on the money flow indicator and the double top on the RSI. I outlined this is why I think that we were going to break below the 210. If we do look at the 210 from where we broke down, we're currently down. We went down almost 19% and we're currently down 16%, so this was fully expected. I do believe that we are going to come all the way down here to 8.8, which is a 50, or from where we broke down it was a 58% drop, let's just say 60%. From where we are now it is, let's just say, a 50% drop. So we've come down like 10% of the way already. I do think we do have our ways to go. You can still see, in my opinion, that I do think your money is going to get chopped in half if you are going to stay in this coin for the next couple of weeks or months. Could be completely wrong. We could bounce off the 786 here and blast off to the moon, but the reason why I'm not too much of a fan of using the 786s for these moves is, like I've outlined in previous videos, for better or worse, I'm not saying this is a bad thing, but this coin is a pump or dump coin. It pumps, dumps, pumps, dumps, pumps, dumps, pumps, dumps, pumps, dumps, pumps, and now we're going down. So like I said, I am trying to be time cautious of this video because really not too much is going on right now. We just keep on making new lows. I do think that we are going to come down and break these lows, just because if we do look at the history, there hasn't really been many times where this coin has gone up, parabolic, topped off, come down to the 786 and then gone on another rally with a higher low. It normally just pumps, dumps, and then pumps and then dumps, and whether they're higher lows or lower lows at which point, that is depending on the trend. But in my opinion, we are coming right down here like I expected. So if we do wrap this up with some monthly and weekly analysis, you can see that we had huge green volume coming in. Don't know what these even are, but if we do come over to the Heikin-Ashi, I can probably guarantee that these weren't even green in the first place. If we come over to the Heikin-Ashi, you can see that we've got immense amounts of selling volume stepping in right now. This trend never really went green in the first place, which should have been an indicator that this was just going to be a micro breakout. I have said in my previous videos, I am not a fan of this coin in the long term, but I would have been happy to make a short-term buy if we did break out. We didn't break out, so I didn't do anything. I'm not going to be shorting, I'm not going to be longing. I'm just sitting on the sidelines. If we finish off with the weekly Heikin-Ashis, we were in this huge steep downtrend, had 2 green candles, and now we're starting red again. So if we do come back to the previous times where we've pumped, you can see in this instance we only had 1 green candle, and in this instance we were done in 4 green candles. So that is kind of lining up nicely with the average. So yeah, I mean, in my opinion, there's no other way you can chop this. If we come over to the daily, Heikin-Ashi downtrend clearly started quite a while ago. And yeah, I mean, I think we are going to be coming all the way down. If we quickly just come back here, whenever the money flow is topped off like this, it has come at least down to 24, and we are all the way up at 57. So in my opinion, we do have our ways to go, which is backing up my price target down here of a 51% drop from where we are now. So that is all I see for SLP. I hope that was like 2 or 3 minutes. I hope I'm not going to click stop recording and realize this was 10 minutes. Apologize if I was speaking a bit fast, but whenever I say it's a short video, I end up taking way too long. So once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.